day. It is so nice, Grandma, wasn't it? The dance, the light, the music, everything looked beautiful.
Yes, my children, and that is why I was clapping. Seeing my grandchildren perform with confidence is my greatest happiness.
When we were on the stage and so clapping, Grandma, we noticed it. Yes, Grandma, singing increased our confidence.
Yes, my children, I know you feel so happy.
Yes, Grandma.
The stage lights, the rhythm of the music, and the applause of the audience, everything was very well presented.
Our teacher worked very hard, Grandma. Everything was planned so nicely.
Yes, dear, it clearly showed.
What is it, Grandma?
Today I saw dances from many countries and many different cultures, but today there was no glimpse of India. My children growing up in another country is not wrong. There are many opportunities here to learn and move forward.
Yes, Grandma.
But remembering the land that gave us our identity and the culture that showed us and the culture that shaped us is very important.
We are listening, Grandma.
Today, the thought that stayed in my heart will not only remain in words, I will show it to you through songs, through dance and through our culture.
Yes, we want to see it. We are ready, Grandma.
Then come, today India steps onto the stage. My India, my Maharashtra. पण बाळांनो, आता आपण भारत देश व तेथील संस्कृती महाराष्ट्राबद्दल बोलत आहोत, तर आपल्या मायबोलीतच बोलूया, जेणेकरून प्रेक्षकांनाही समजेल, हो की नाही?
Yes, Grandma.
बाळांनो, महाराष्ट्रात कोणताही सण असो, कार्यक्रम असो किंवा नवीन एखादी सुरुवात असो, ती विघ्नहर्ता गणपती बाप्पांशिवाय पूर्णच होत नाही.
Means बाल गणेशा?
येस, करेक्ट, मिस बाल गणेशा. गणपती बाप्पा फक्त देव नाही, तो आपला आधार आहे, विश्वास आहे आणि सगळ्यांना एकत्रित आणणारी शक्ती आहे. So I would like to call on stage Ganpati song students to perform dance.